What's good, everybody? The sisters are back. I am your main girl, Mel.
And I am Amanda.
And together, we create videos for you guys to teach you all about hair. Specifically, in the confusing world of the curls.
The curls. So now that it is getting colder outside, we've been getting a lot of requests from you guys asking what are our favorite winter accessories, how do we deal with frizz when wearing hats and scarves and different things on our heads when we're trying to keep warm.
Well, let me explain. We have put together some of our favorite accessories that are not only fashionable, but they're also curl safe.
Curl safe.
So if you're trying to stay warm but also keep the curls fabulous this winter,
or fonse,
then stay tuned. And without further ado,
let's get to it. It's not happening.
But what makes an accessory curl safe, you ask? There are two things that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the material, and then I'm looking for how is it built? What is the structure of the manufacturing?
Is it big enough to fit your head?
Essentially.
For me.
So as we go ahead and show you all of our favorite really cute accessories that we have stuffed into this big stocking, we'll explain the benefits of all of them and
where we got them and why we enjoy them.
Boom.
Fluffy! It's so fluffy!
I've literally never been so warm. So I know what you guys are thinking. What are those? And where can I buy one? Okay, first of all, I had to dig deep into Amazon to find these, and they were such a steal. This is probably one of my favorite accessories out of the whole thing.
I really love these ones. These are my favorite.
Because this material, which is all faux fur, by the way, this is the softest thing on my head, and this is literally all I want to wear this time of year.
And the reason why I really appreciate these is, well, first, this kind of style, like this fluffy style, is really in right now, I feel like. And if it isn't, we're gonna make it in because they just look fabulous. They just really do. But I also have to say that the number one reason why I really like these is because it fits my head. Guys, I'm not exaggerating when I say that hats never fit my head. They literally never fit my head.
This just glides right on and off, and it does it so gracefully because when you look inside, can you see what I see? Can you see what I see? You are looking at some polyester satin weave in here. Okay? Making this hat curl friendly on the inside and super warm at the same time. And they're super cute.
Super cute.
Now maybe you're not a hat person.
Maybe you're not a hat person.
That's okay.
I never was before.
I'm only occasionally a hat person.
I've only recently been a hat person.
It's gotta be the right hat.
I just found these good hats.
We're new to this, so this is very exciting. But of course we needed some other options to bring you guys. So, we also have, oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby. What was that? I can't hear you. You think we look good? That was bad.
There's fur in my mouth. Hold on. Let's talk about these accessories for a minute. Would you like to go first? Because
yes.
I'm loving the look. Explain to me.
These have always been a really good option that I've always really loved and enjoyed. Are my ear muffins. My ear muffins are perfect because not only do they keep my ears protected, but they also act like a headband. So when I feel like I don't want my hair in my face, I think these are the best option. I love wearing my ear muffins.
I should have stopped you sooner, but can we clarify that they're called ear muffs?
No, I like ear muffins.
Not muffins?
I like to see...
You're confusing the audience.
I call them ear muffins. It's better.
You know what's better? My look, okay?
Sure, whatever.
The vibe
I feel like yours is more fancy.
Oh, this is definitely fancy.
I feel like mine's more of a daytime look. And Mel's is more of that nighttime fancy look, you know?
Absolutely.
So why do you love yours? Why are they curly girl approved?
Okay, so first I want to talk about this. So this is simply an addition to your outfit. It can go under your coat. You can just kind of add it on to your outfit. Extremely cute. And why I like this is, well, it does also have that satin material on the inside, but things do not have to be satin or silk to not cause frizz. In the wintertime, when we are cold, we're wearing a lot of knit sweaters, we're wearing a lot of wool. These materials are very high friction, and they are the reason you have dreadlocks underneath the bottom of your hair, okay? Which makes things very hard to detangle and leads to breakage. By wearing materials that are just soft and silky, you don't get that problem. So this I can wear all day long. It does not disturb my curls at all.
And it looks cute.
Now as for the top of my head, this little accessory, it does have an elastic back. It fits you too. Now, this is more of maybe a day 3, day 4 hair thing. If your hair gets greasy, it's going to cover the top of your head. This will help to keep your ears warm, but it may cause a little more squashing. Might affect the volume of your hair, but if you plan on being outdoors all night, I went to a holiday market, I wore this outdoors all night, and I just looked really cute wearing it, and it kept me warm. Moving on. Wow. Look at that switch up though. Amanda, I love the fluff. Tell me about it.
Alright, so this one is from, again, the same Amazon seller as the fluffy hats, and of course, it's large and in charge, so it fits my fat head. And also it's got that polyester satin material that we all love and enjoy because, you know, it doesn't ruin the curls. And it's cute, and it's cute.
It's so...
Forget about it. Forget about it. Those 3 things.
Fits, it's fashion, and it's functional.
Say that 3 times fast. It fits, fashion, functional. Fits, fashion, functional. Fits, fashion, functional. Okay.
I'll put that on next. I want to show them how good I look in it. But first, let's talk about this beanie. Now, I'm not much of a beanie wearer. It doesn't always go with my vibe, but this is definitely a more casual look. So this is from an Amazon seller called Beautifully Warm. Now, of course, what is beneficial about this beanie is...
Ew, do not make that face. There's nothing cute about that.
Satin on the inside.
Satin on the inside.
Are you noticing a trend here? But you know, Amanda, I'd love to see how this looks on you.
A beanie actually looks good on me.
Yeah, you look pretty good with a beanie, to be honest.
Like it.
And it's just a cute casual look.
Thank you.
I do really like that on you.
It looks really good. Anyways, moving on.
Look at us.
Look at us.
Wow. Twinning, but not quite. These 2 beanies actually came together in a package on Amazon. So, kill 2 birds, 1 stone. You can get 2 different colors, you can get whatever. What I really liked about these are, if you take a look at Amanda's, she has a little pom-pom. I do not. But if I wanted to, I could. Wow, it's great. Now, what boxes do these hats check off? They fit.
They fit.
They're fashionable.
They're fashionable. But are they exactly functional?
Now they are. Lo and behold.
Do these look familiar? So if you guys have a lot of unfunctional beanies sitting at home and you want to wear them out, but you also want to protect your hair from frizz and damage, you're going to want to put your bonnet underneath. It's a great tip to really put to use all those beanies and hats that you have sitting at home already and still protect your hair. And if you don't have a bonnet, you could also just use a silk or satin scarf, wrap it around the beanie.
And now you have a DIY curl-safe beanie.
Next!
Ooh, shit. Look at us. On some Indiana Jones shit.
You don't want to mess with us shit.
Where's my horse shit?
We Canadian
Horse
shit.
Canadian, alright. These hats are from Tilley.
I have to be honest, when these were shipped to us and I received them in the mail and I saw that the size option said extra large and it fit my head, it was really inspiring me and it really motivated me to explore the hat world. And that's why we're here today. So thank you, Tilley hats. I'm honestly being honest, like it literally did.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, do you want anything to share?
I really like these hats as well because they fit, but they're also fashionable and they're functional.
Yes.
Because if you look under the hood,
they got a silk/satin lining. Come on!
These hats are very luxury.
Extra
they are
large.
very warm.
These are size extra large.
And they're made in Canada.
And they're made in Canada.
We have to stand.
We have to.
Now moving on to our final looks.
Our final looks.
Again, I'm going to start here. This is another beanie option that is very casual. This is more of a jersey material. And this is another option that I found that is, again, satin lining, so it is functional. They actually also advertise it as a bonnet. It could be a bonnet. You could easily tuck all of your hair into here. And it would keep you warm. So,
and also looking like Marge.
Large and in charge, and Marge, whatever. Miss Beauty Queen, what's on your head?
keeping up with the cold curls episodes, you would have already seen us wear these headbands in our hairstyling video that we showed you guys different hairstyles that suit our different face shapes. So we got these on Amazon as well, and they're just like a thicker band silk material headband. These are really great because they're not tight on your head, they're not going to leave you with headaches, and they're also going to prevent frizz along your hairline.
The band is all laced with this silky, satiny material, so it's curl safe, curl friendly, and affordable.
So that is everything that we had to share with you guys today, and let's close off this video wearing our favorite accessory. Would you like to do that?
That's like picking your favorite child.
I don't know, but let's do it. Can we get a drum roll, please?
I think that I started off with a bang, and I want to end off with a bang. Again, they might not be for everybody.
There might not be for everybody. You guys might think we look like clowns, but I like it.
I'm obsessed,
I love
and
it.
I think we're about to start a trend.
I think so. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. We had a lot of fun trying everything on with you guys.
It's been a great haul. It's great.
And of course, you can always find all the links in the description below. Most are from Amazon, but you know, that's because I'm Amandazon.
And we have Prime.
And we have Prime.
If you like this video, make sure you please give it a thumbs up.
Especially if you like these hats.
Now they're gonna dislike it.
Oh,
Shut up.
okay.
And for more episodes and our cold curl series so you can understand how to take care of your curls this winter, make sure you check out the rest of the playlist on this channel and stay tuned because we have many more episodes to come. As for this week, that's all we have today. Peace. Ho ho ho, ha ha ha. Oh, that's me. Yes, twin. We're not twins, we're sisters. I can't cross my legs in these jeans, but
God.
I'm gonna look at your sausage right now. Holiday feasts are really getting to me.
Should we do the foot thing?
What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody?
What the hell are you doing?
Ready?
Your toes are nasty.
What's good, everybody?
Your feet are nasty. So because it is the winter time, what are you doing?
Also have. Wow, that was perfect. That was so candid. Okay. Jinx, you're such a sister.
Oh God.
Now you ask, what makes an accessory safe?
But what makes a curl accessory safe?
Do a hole. But what makes?
But what makes a curl accessory? I'm not a actress.
You can try, Amanda. We are in sync tonight, sister.
God.
It's great.
It's great.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.